Welcome back to that build. Today is a slight update filler episode as such. It's been a while since my last update, and to be brutally honest, it was more or less going to be a next week sort of affair again because I kind of stuffed up a tiny bit again, as seems to be the theme. I am still persevering with the Porsche Replica build. Obviously that is still going on. The main hold-up has been partly laziness, partly waiting for supplies, and then partly me just not really measuring 100%. Of course, as the old saying goes, measure 3, cut once, and well, I measured once, gave someone else to drill, and of course they drilled as per my instructions, but it was wrong. So I am waiting for them to fix my stuff up, let's say. So that is the current state of affairs for that. The bug has been absent for some time, and of course we last finished off with it having a bit of a whoopsie from me not, anyway, so more or less at this point in time, fished it out and gave it a bit of a clean. It was in some deep need of some scrubbing back, as we can see, just doing a bit of cleaning on it. It's a little happier now. It's not a perfect job, and if you think I'm doing real dishonour in the way I'm cleaning this car, just keep in mind the paint is not perfect at all. So let's give it a bit of a clean up, remove the bird excrement which was in certain lovely spots, and yeah, more or less just made it look a little better, kind of close to how it was before, but still not as good. There is actually some clear paint, clear coat peel above near the fuel filler, which has just been slowly expanding. It started off in a very small amount. The car used to live inside, unfortunately it doesn't now, so that doesn't exactly help any. But small other reveal, I thought I'd just do a little bit of a reveal for, again, another upcoming car. This isn't a new purchase, I've had this for some time. I forget how long I've actually had this for, but doing some, or getting some major repairs done in this situation. This one I have actually palmed off to a shop because I just don't have the time to deal with it. As it is, the sun has been beating down like the ever-blazing ball of death that it is, and I just haven't really wanted to venture out and turn red. So I have more or less stayed inside, keeping cool as possible, and then of course when it wasn't scorching hot, it was bucketing down. So the rain and the sun have been absolutely atrocious this time of year, but it is summer, so what do we expect? So anyway, the builds will go on. More work will be done. The Porsche build, I hope to have an update for that next Sunday, so this is just a last minute rush thing. This is literally Saturday now for me, so I just thought I'd post an update just to show that things are still progressing. So if you're wondering, am I still around? Yes, I am still around. Yes, the build is still continuing. So stay fastened. I do a really good update. Anyone who's interested in a rotisserie for a Volkswagen Beetle, I'm hoping my idea, it's probably been done before. I doubt I'm original in this situation. I mean, the car's been around for that long now. But more or less, I have kind of done my own DIY rotisserie. Again, with inspiration from a couple of people on groups and everything like that. So yeah, stay tuned. That will be coming up very shortly. I was hoping it was going to be this weekend, but again, I ballsed up on the measurements. So yeah, 5 mil out. No, 10 mil out actually. So 10 mil and just screwed myself. But anyway, rambling on as always. So that's going to do it again today, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, like, subscribe, comment below, etc. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbour to stop procrastinating and just get on with it. Anyway, guys, until next time, cheers.